yang namun gedanya si
We, the young generation of today, will heal our nation which has been martyred under the acts of imperialist colonialist Java.
Menyiapkan laganyan hanamu makna hudib.
Our struggle for independence means we will no longer be part of the colonial state. So are we now ready to fight faithfully like martyrs for an Islamic Actionese nation?
Islam Aceh? Merdeka! Merdeka! Merdeka!
Barely trained female recruits are paraded in front of the villages by Commander Shafi. He makes capital of the way the Indonesian security forces are handling this conflict.
Karena kamu menggabung maklum itu.
This 18-year-old girl told us she joined the movement because her mother and brother have been beaten and tortured by the army. She said she feared for her own life.
Di Aceh tak ada pemilu. Pemilu Indonesia hanya untuk Indonesia, bukan untuk kami bangsa Aceh. Jadi kami sebagai bangsa Aceh tidak ada pemilu, tidak ada sangkut paut dengan pemilu Indonesia. Kami hanya mementingkan kemerdekaan negeri kami Aceh.
Outgunned and outmanned, these guerrillas of the Free Aceh movement fought for 23 years. Now Jakarta is determined to defeat them once again. Ask how big the enemy reinforcements are.
Yang mangat, tu strategi dan yang paling kanda pre.
Do we have informers among the soldiers? There are 3. Their names are X, Y, and Z. Pass the word to Kamal Bati that we will strike together. This guerrilla commander knows that his struggle could undermine the whole nation. Indonesia will disappear because in every colonial situation, once they let go of one region, they have to let other regions go too. The Achenese separatists plan their tactics in the full knowledge that dialogue with the government is not even an option. Both sides are determined to fight on. Indonesian army reinforcements have just taken up positions on a nearby hilltop.
If
they're really ignorant and hard-headed, we may have to take out one of their sub-district military commanders.
Kepada tuan-tuan dan tuan-tuan di seluruh dunia dan kepada tuan-tuan dan saudara-saudara saya di Sumatera untuk mendukung dan mengikat tali persahabatan yang baik demi tercapainya cita-cita keadilan dan kemakmuran negara Aceh, maka yang merdeka dan berdaulat.
Tentang Aceh telah dibuat satu kesalahan oleh Belanda, berhak bertanggungjawab. Harus mengerjakan 1000 pun cara. Yang penting Aceh telah salah diserahkan kepada pemerintahan Jawa oleh Belanda, berhak meminta segala caranya untuk mengembalikan negeri kami Aceh. Tapi kalau tidak, kami akan dendam kepada pemerintahan Belanda. Kalau mereka ingin membuat kejahatan, pulanglah ke negeri mereka sendiri, ke Jakarta sana.
Tinggal kenangan